What was set up out here last year, as you can see, is at the top is a little windmill and an anemometer. The whole idea is that we're trying to record how much energy that windmill is capturing.
Right now, all of the power that is sourced out at the island is from an underwater cable that's over 40 years old. And the cable is starting to show signs of wear. We're just trying to see if it is even possible to get the island off the grid using solar, tidal, or wind, or a combination of them, as opposed to doing another cable from the mainland over.
We have data from the windmill onto the solar panel.
I can't believe all of this stayed up. I'm super excited. This is the same kind of data collector. This is protecting the Arduino the same way that we had on the windmills. The Arduinos are the small computers that allow us actually to do really inexpensive data collectors. So there's 2 solar panels on here. This solar panel is actually powering the battery when the battery runs out and recharging it, and then this solar panel is the one that's collecting the solar data. So the kids have set the Arduinos to collect how much solar energy is being collected by this solar panel, and then they analyze that to give us the data to how many solar panels we might need in order to
meet the energy needs.
To meet the energy needs.
And then they analyze it, and the thing that they have to do is not just analyze the data, but then they've got to put it in a form that's understandable to people who don't know a lot about all of this.
And that's indicative of everyday life in trying to make science accessible to everyday public, and that's, you know, an issue that scientists face all the time.
It doesn't always work perfectly, and you have to keep going back and figuring it out.
You're right. Science is trial and error.
It's not a cookbook lab where there's going to be some result they're expecting to get, and I think they get a real taste of what it's like to do science, and then how do you do science in a way that's going to mean something. Here, you can put that back for me. I got data.
You did?
Yes.
Huh.